Hey there traders, welcome back for episode 22 from the StockBandit.tv. I'm sure glad that you're here for it. Alright, so you've no doubt noticed by now that each trading week here begins with a good look at the major averages, and that's for a good reason. And as I've mentioned, the biggest influence on individual stocks and how they're going to move is how the overall market is moving. So of course, the indices are where we turn, and that's where we start to take our initial cues for trading. And in fact, in the premium videos, that's actually where we start every single night. So that's how important it is. Now in this episode, what I want to do is take that idea a step further and want to explain something of significance to you that I think is really going to help you with your trading. Now the best markets for trending plays tend to be when the major averages are all moving in unison. But right now we're not quite there yet. We're just now coming out of very lengthy trading ranges in the major averages like the Dow Jones 30. We spent a very long time in this trading range here. Then in the near term, we spent the last few weeks in this smaller trading range, and we're just now starting to break down from that range. In the S&P 500, this big primary trading range outlined by the white trend lines, we have spent more than a dozen weeks within, and we're just now starting to crack that as well. Now, that's important to see, and it's nice to see that the senior indices are starting to get on the move. But at the same time, the NASDAQ is still stuck within its trading range. Not only is it holding above the January lows, it's also staying inside this large primary trading range that's been in effect back to early November here. And so that's what we're looking at right now. So what this means is that we've got a little bit of a mixed market right now, and so it's still very important to be picking and choosing our spots very carefully for trades. So anytime that you find yourself in a little bit of a mixed market, it's a great clue to keep those time frames abbreviated and wait not only for some leadership to emerge, but especially to wait for that unity of movement among all the big averages. Once you see that, then you're most likely going to be entering into a new trend phase, and that means a much better environment for more aggressive trading. All right, thanks for joining me again. I'll be back soon with another video, but until then, trade like a bandit.